Hey folks, Greg here from George's. Friends. We're here at Red Eye's Dock Bar, getting ready to open up May 5th, Cinco de Mayo. Right here, we're in the beautiful, coming over to the Eastern Shore. There's Kent Narrows, right off the Chesapeake Bay. I want to show you real quick, friends, some new stuff that we have here. So we have a new product here, and these are new labels. You'll see all of our new labels now, George's. They'll be full wraparound labels, pretty awesome. Really shows who we are, illustrates that we are a craft brand. We're handmade, we are small batch, and it is delicious. All natural, gluten-free, all of our products, no corn syrup ever, fresh fruit. The new product here is our George's Strawberry Margarita Daiquiri Mix. Versatile, awesome. What's great about this is if you use tequila, it's a margarita. You use rum, it's a daiquiri. But also, it's so versatile, you can use it for rum runners, and you can also use it great for brunch and bellinis with some champagne. Love it. It is delicious. Something great to talk about too, we've taken our margarita mix out of plastic and put it into glass. We have the capabilities to do something not many mixer companies can do. We have a new system that pasteurizes our product in a second. It shocks it down in less than a minute, so it heats up the fruit, but then cools it down immediately. So it doesn't denature the fruit at all, or the agave nectar or the pure cane sugar. And it cools it down immediately, and it goes to the bottling line. So it tastes like it was freshly made. My gosh, it is outstanding. So that's so exciting. So now we have all of our products in the glass because of that. Something else I want to note here, the Strawberry Margarita Daiquiri, that is lime, orange, fresh strawberry puree, pure cane sugar. That's it, guys. And the margarita, as always, it's 22 limes, 2 oranges, 2 tablespoons of agave nectar, but there's no preservative in it anymore because of the new system we're using. It's so awesome. So here, we're gonna crack these jokers open. Let me do it one at a time because it's a little windy out here. That's what it is on the Eastern Shore. Ivano, thank you for the t-shirt, buddy. Love it. It fits me really well. So here, look at that. If you look at this, let me do this slowly. Look how light that is. There's no thickening agent, no xanthan gum. You can use this on the rocks or frozen. Oh my golly. Friends, you're gonna love that. So versatile. This is summertime all over. On your parties at your house in the summertime, you can pre-batch this, whether it's a rum runner, rum cocktails, or your bellinis, or your strawberry margaritas. You can have that ready on ice for your friends. Now here, the margarita, this is really exciting. I love it. The recipe, this is the same recipe we always had. What's different is it's in glass now. Before we had it in plastic because we couldn't do what we're doing now. No preservative. Same great flavor, only it tastes that much fresher. I'm telling you, you can just taste the fresh fruit. There's no other mixers out there, margaritas, daiquiris, that have this much fruit content. The juice in here is 61%. Nothing's even this close out there. The juice in the margarita is 53%. Again, nothing close. We don't cut corners. We use real ingredients because we're all made by real ingredients. Thank you so much for the support over the years, folks. We can't wait to have a great summer with you out here at the beaches or on the shore or in the city. We love you so much. Drink some more George's. Cheers.